Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a simple clicker game in Scratch. To start we need a when green flag clicked, and after add this script I did under the when green flag clicked. Now copy these scripts we need for the sprite. The and Boolean is important. Don't forget that. Oh yeah, I did a mistake, sorry guys. Also sorry for the editing, I'm using CapCut Pad for the first time. Now when you test it, it works. It grows once. You start holding on it and shrinks when you let it go. Oh yeah, we gotta add a costume. Well, I already did mine. It's a cookie. Now we also gotta select a backdrop for the stage. There are many options to choose from, but I will just pick the light. Save the project and test it. Wowie, it works like never before. Now create a variable and call it what you want. Don't forget to set it to for this sprite only. Now double-click the variable and drag it wherever you want. And now copy this script. There appears to be a bug. Well, no worries. Just do this and it's fixed. Now when you click it, it works. And that was it. You made a clicker game. Now you do whatever you want with it. Anyways, that was it for the video. Bye guys.